So here's the water in the wash. You can see it's kind of deep right there, so easy to get yourself in a little bit of trouble if you don't know what to cross. We got everybody coming to help. She's being sucked down into the thing. Yeah, she's in the hole. Lost another girl. That girl's downstream. This is the one who got sucked through.
What I want to say is that whenever you go to a place or you are going to a place and the place is flooded, don't try to cross. Don't try to cross at all. When the place is flooded, look at what just happened. Cyclists, you have realized that the place is flooded or the place has been flooded. Why do you want to cross? It's not advisable. It's not advisable. Don't joke with water. When the place is flooded, don't joke at all. The best thing you can do, either you return or you call for help. You call the experts. You call the security agents. You call people who can help you to cross. Don't try to cross. Look at what just happened. Look at just what just happened. And so, advice to every one of us is that when you are driving or you are riding or you are, you know, whatever you are doing and you get to a place that is flooded, just make sure that you are very careful, call for help, call people who can actually dive, who can actually swim. Like in this case, for instance, people can swim to come and assist you. People who can, help you cross this particular bridge.